Hi guys, my name is Aishwarya and welcome back to my channel. So you've read the title already, you know what we're gonna be doing today. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Also, it's been a while since I've shot like a YouTube video, I know. So this might be me mumbling or this might be me just going a lot, so just please ignore that. So as you can see that this is the look that I'm wearing today, and it was created by the Insight products. Few of the Insight products which I've bought recently from Nykaa, which is a really bad move on my part. Shouldn't have ordered during Corona, but yeah, ignore that. So the first product we have is this Insight 3-in-1 primer. This says that it primes, protects and moisturizes. I don't know about that, but this is a silicone based primer basically. It just fills out your pores and creates like a nice canvas for your base. And I've actually been using this primer since quite a while now. It was in my 2019 favorites as well, which if you haven't watched already, you should. I'll link it like somewhere here. And this is the primer. It is silicone based. It smooths out your skin, it fills out your pores very nicely, and it is especially nice if you have pores like me. So it fills out my pores. I mean, my pores are not like less visible, but it just fills them out. And I really like this primer. I've like bought like this primer for like 5 times already, so it's that good. And plus it's very affordable. It's for like 240 and I always get it around like 200 or 180 when it's on sale. So that's a really great part, and I think I might be a little bit biased. So the production of these products happened really close to me. So it's in Vasai. I live in Virar. So it's really close to me, and might be a little bit biased about this company, not about the products. So yeah, that's that. This is like an Indian brand, and it's a really affordable brand. So the primer is really lovely, and I would recommend it to everyone. If you have like oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, this primer would be great for you. I recommend it to everyone I know. So thumbs up for this primer. I really like it. Next product which I tried is this Insight foundation. It comes in this cardboard packaging, and it says that it is ultra thin second skin long wear foundation. I don't know about long wear since this is the first time I've tested it, but it is really thin, ultra thin. And by that I mean that it has a very light coverage. It has like almost sheer coverage, sheer to like light coverage. And even though I don't like foundations with like really sheer coverage, I really like this because it just gave like a glow from within look for my skin. It didn't really cover any scarring which I have over here, or I have some new acne popping up over here, so it didn't really cover that. So I really like this foundation. I'm in the shade 04 warm nude. The shade range was a little bit weird. I couldn't tell which shade to get, so I just did like a cut bucket bumbo and got like this shade, and this was like a pretty good match for me. Also, they don't have like a lot of shades, and they don't cater to a lot of Indian skin tones, and I'm on the fair side, so the shade suited me pretty well. But if you're dark skinned, then there might not be a shade for you, so just please keep that in mind, and I'm sorry for that. But other than that, I really like this foundation. I got this for around one, so it says it retails for 160, but I think I got it for either 120 or 130 or somewhere around that. I'll pop the price on the screen. So I really like this foundation. Also, this packaging reminds me a lot of the NYX's Total Control Drop foundation, and it has the like same dropper, and it works like very similar to that, the dropper thing. So there's that. It has very light coverage, and if you have like a lot of acne scarring, you might not like this foundation, but I did. And for the price that I paid, I think I can't really complain about it. Pretty good. Also, let's just test that if this foundation does oxidize. So I've already have the foundation swatch right here. I'm just gonna swatch a fresh layer so we can tell if it oxidizes or not. It does oxidize a little bit. I mean, I don't know if you can tell because I've like swatched the concealers, but it does oxidize a little bit. So this is the fresh application, and above that is the old application. So I can see in the mirror and in the viewfinder that it does oxidize quite a lot. So I mean, I don't really mind oxidization because then it just blends into your skin even more. But yeah, no buts. I mean, I just like this foundation even with like all the oxidizing, because I can see that it matches pretty well with my neck. so I don't mind the oxidization. So the next product that I tried of Insight Cosmetics is this 2x Cover Master Concealer. Now this concealer was for around 100 bucks. I mean, on discount I think I got it for around 99 bucks, which is actually shocking because this concealer, so how do I put it this way, this concealer costs less than an open shawarma, if that's like the nicest way to put it, and I really like shawarma. This has like very warm undertones to it. Again, the shade range was really confusing, so I just got like whatever shade that was available, and it sounded like it would suit me, and it did suit me. So I got the shade 04 Porcelain. This is like a really nice concealer for like a budget. So it's also very beginner friendly. It blends really nicely, and it covered my acne scarring which I had over here. It covered my dark circles really well. It has like pretty medium coverage, I would say. It isn't like full coverage. You can still see like a little bit of my under eye bags. But all in all, I really like this concealer, and I was like pleasantly surprised because for the price that I paid, this concealer works really well. And I actually didn't try it as an eyeshadow base, but if I do try it before I upload this video, I'll make sure I'll include like the review about it as an eye primer in the description below, so make sure you check that. But I really like this concealer over and all. And if you're looking for a budget concealer, you can go for this, or like segueing into the next product, we also have this Pro Concealer by Insight. Okay, Pro Conceal, Insight Pro Conceal. So you can tell by the packaging that they actually like literally ripped off LA Girl Pro Conceal. It literally has similar packaging except this cap, so they ripped off that. But how do I say this? This concealer is really nice. It has like pink undertones, and I usually don't like concealers or foundations with pink undertones, but since I'm like pretty warm undertoned, but this concealer really suited me, and I'm really shocked. I also use it as my eye primer today, and as an eye primer also it works really great. And I'm actually really shocked that this was for around like 130, 150, and for the price, these products are really mind-blowing, and I'm actually kind of pissed that I have to pay like 900,000 for like a concealer and foundation when I could just buy this and call it a day. This also has medium to a little bit medium more coverage and I don't know what's the word, but it has like medium to full coverage. It covered my under eye bags pretty well. It covered my acne scarring over here pretty well. It brightened my skin, like it brightened my under eyes pretty well. And I think that's all I can ask this concealer to do for 150 bucks. I mean, what can I say? It's really nice. Please get this or this, whichever you want, or get both. I mean, I got both. You can also get both because they are so damn affordable. I really like the both of the concealer. I know we are coming on very strong, but that's the vibe for today. Okay, so moving on, we have this Insight Cosmetics. Again, this is the last product for today. We have this Insight Cosmetics matte lipstick. This is a bullet lipstick. It was for 78 rupees. It was for 78 rupees. So the packaging is pretty cheap, not gonna lie. It feels very cheap, but the product is quite decent. The lipstick is as like a normal bullet lipstick would be. So this is the shade. It is like quite burnt orangey. And usually I would have liked this shade, but today I didn't feel like wearing the orange shade by itself. So I just tapped some contour powder all over my lips. This smells pretty like chocolatey. I mean, that smell that lipsticks usually have. It has that smell, so I'm not mad about that. Pigmentation is also nice. It is like one swipe. It is one swipe application, and yeah, it's quite pigmented. Also, I think I'm just gonna touch it up a little bit because all that powder has moved a little bit of my lipstick, so I'm just gonna touch it up. I think I would have bought more of them if I didn't already have like a huge pile to finish. So I think I'm gonna keep this one for a while. And yeah, also this is like standard like bullet lipsticks, bullet matte lipsticks. It does transfer a little bit, but nothing too crazy. Like it wouldn't just come off altogether with like when you like drink tea or coffee. So that's that. So for 72 rupees, I wouldn't ask much more. Perfect lipstick if you're on a budget, if you're college going, or if you're just a beginner who's just starting with makeup. Perfect. And I think in future I might try some more products from this brand because I'm really pleasantly surprised. Also, this is the year we are gonna be vocal for local, so I'm gonna try as much as I can to promote Indian products. If not to like stop China from becoming like a superpower, just to boost our Indian economy. Let me know if you'd like to see more of such videos in the comments below. I would love to do it with more Indian brands because I want to be local for vocal. No, I want to be vocal for local. Yeah, that sounds right. So with this, I've finished with the video. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on which brand you want me to try next and share it with the friends and family. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss out such videos from me ever again. And I promise, or I think I promise, I'll try to be more regular with my uploads. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.